Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I want to share some happy mail that my friend sent me, and I also have small crafty haul from Simon System. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my happy mail from my friend Jen. She is Happy Scrapper Mom of 3, and she sent me this for my birthday. Thank you so much, Jen. And this is the card that she sent me. It says, "For you." I love this card, Jen. It's so beautiful, and I love all the bling that you added, and even the flowers has like I think those are stickles. So this is the card that she sent me. I love this one. And she sent me some Philippine goodies, Philippine products, and because some of this stuff I can't get it where I am. So thank you so much, Jen. This one is it's called tamarind. It's a sampalok. It's sweet. It has like sugar, and this is really good. It's been a while since I had this one. I think it's like 13 years already. Thank you so much, Jen, for this. And then she also sent me this one here. I used to eat this when I was a kid. It's the watermelon seeds, and it's been a while since I had this one too. So thank you, Jen. And then she also sent me a few of the mixes that I use for cooking, and she sent me 2 of this pancit canton stir fry mix, and then this one is chop suey or for pancit canton, and this one is the tocino marinating mix. So thank you so much, Jen, for the package, for the happy mail. I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. So thank you so much, Jen. I also have a small haul from Simon System, and then this one is the Maker Forte stamp set, and this one is, what's the name of this one? There's no name on this one, but it's by Alex Siberia design, and I really love this super cute gingerbread cookies. It has like stars, trees, gingerbread house, gingerbread. You get 2 gingerbread men, and then you also get the candy cane, and then this word joy, and then you get a few of the sentiments. I really like how she illustrate this. It's so cute. So I got this, and these are the ones that I got from Simon System, and we have $5 off coupon here, and this is the code, and this one is valid until November 20. So that's that one. The first one that I got is this Joy script die, and this one has the shadow die, so that's nice. So I got this, and then I also got this flip thanks die. So this one, it has 2 thanks, and I think you can use just one thanks. So that's this one, because it looks like they're not attached to each other. It's like individual letters. So that's this one. I also got this ghost in a circle die, and it looks like this. The next one is the picture book Santa Pop. It looks like this. And this one is super cute. This is the picture book caramel apple. This is adorable. I love this one. I also got this Piñata Party die set. This was on sale, and I have the stamp set that coordinates with this die set, so I got that one. I also got this picture book Santa cat. It looks like this one. I also got this stamp and die set, and it's called the Sweet Friend. So I got this one. And then the last one that I got from Simon Says Stamp is this stencil, and this one is called the Geometric Arcs stencil, 6x6 stencil. So that's all of the things that I want to share today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.